Comparing a fraction. Fraction comparing means whether the fraction are greater than, smaller than, or equal to. We have to find. We have to compare the fraction. Fraction. We know fraction are different types, but whenever we compare, we have to compare the fraction out of same amount. Means we have to compare that fraction such that we have to compare fraction out of this pizza. Suppose you are taking a pizza, so that we have to compare the fraction of out this pizza. Out of this pizza, we take with if we divide this pizza into 5 parts, then we will take 3 by 5. This pizza is divided by 7 parts. Then we will compare. Then we will find the fraction 4 by 7. उसी तरह whatever we are comparing of the same thing, of the same amount, same space, the fraction out of same space, same amount, same of the same thing. Without same thing we cannot compare the things. But there are two type of fraction like fraction and unlike fraction. We have already studied what are the like fraction, where the denominator is the same. Even if the denominator are the same, we know higher the numerator or the bigger the numerator, bigger is the fraction. Here we are taking fraction like 2 by 3 by 7, 2 by 7, 5 by 7. Now 2 by 7 must be lesser than 3 by 7, 3 by 7 must be lesser than 5 by 7. Likewise, we will find the fraction. On the number line also, we can show in the number line 0, 1. 1 means 7 by 7. We have to divide this line into 7 parts. 1, 1 by 7, 2, 2 by 7, 3, 3 by 7, 4, 4 by 7, 5, 5 by 7, 6 by 7. Now it is 7 by 7. Okay. Now see, up to this 2 by 7, up to this 3 by 7, up to this 3 by 7, again up to this 5 by 7. So 5 by 7 is the bigger than 3 by 7 and 3 by 7 is bigger than 2 by 7. Likewise, we can show in the number line also, and it is like fraction. It is very much easier to compare the fraction. If the like fraction and the denominator are the same, the higher the bigger the numerator, bigger the fraction. What we will do in the unlike fraction? What we will do in the unlike fraction? Unlike fraction means denominator must be different, but the fraction out of the same space, same amount, same things. Okay, fraction must be absolutely the same, but their denominator is different. This means the same space divided in different way. We know this. We know this type of division or division of this type of dividing the same space into different fraction in the equivalent fraction. Comparing the first method, comparing the shaded part. Now here we take two fractions, 3 by 5 and 4 by 7. 3 by 5 and the 4 by 7. This means we have take the same space. Here I am taking that space, and here this much space, and here also I have taken this much space. I divide this space into 5 equal parts, and I divide this the same space in the 7 equal parts. And in the 3 equal parts, whenever I divide into 3 equal parts, then I get this much area as the 3 by 4. And when I divide into 7 equal parts, and this much area I get, this much shaded area I get as the 4 by 7. By seeing the shading area, 3 by 5 is greater than 3 by 5 area is more than 4 by 7 area. So 3 by 5 fraction is the greater than 4 by 7. It is the first method by comparing the shaded part. Second method, comparing the number lines. Comparing on the number line, we take the same number line, we divide the number line into two. In first we divide into 5 parts, where I have shown in the red line. I have shown it in the red line. This red line show the 5 equal parts. This is 1 by 5, this is 2 by 5, this is 3 by 5, this is 4 by 5, and this is 5 by 5. This is, I divide this number line by 5 equal parts, and the same number lines is divided in the blue line into 7 equal parts. 1 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7, 7 by 7. By seeing this number line, 3 by 5 means this much, and the 4 by 7 means this much. By seeing the number line, we can compare 3 by 5 is greater than 4 by 7. But it is not such authentic method to compare fraction. Then the third method number 3. The third method to compare fraction is by finding equivalent fraction by using LCM. By using what we will do? First we will make this fraction. First we have to find the equivalent fraction of 4 by 7 and 3 by 5 in such a way that they will become like fraction. Now they are unlike fraction, we have to convert them into like fraction. Then how we will convert them into like fraction? We will first find the LCM and 7 and 5. See, 7 and 5 are prime number. Then how we will find the LCM? By simply multiplying 7 by 7 into 5, that is 35. Yes. How can we know that 35 is the LCM? Yes. Now see that by the listing method, we find the LCM or the listing method, or we are here. I have written the multiples of 5. I have written the multiples of 5 and the multiple of 7. 5 1 are 5, 5 2 are 10, likewise 5 3 are 15, 5 4 are 20, 5 5 are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 7 are 35, 5 4 are 40, 5 9 are 45, 5 10 are 50, up to 10. I am finding 10 multiples of 5 and the 10 multiple of 7. Okay, here the least common multiple between 5 and 7 are 35. No, here the first common multiple between 5 and 7 is 35. So the LCM will be 35. Or the simply way, if both the number of the prime number, then we multiply both the number and we find the LCM. Okay, now what we will do? We'll make this, we'll find some equivalent fraction of 4 by 7 and 3 by 5 in such a way that 35 will be their denominator. 35 will be their denominator of each fraction and make them like fraction. What will take now convert the 4 by 7 in equivalent fraction such that 35 will be denominator. We have already do this. Like which we have to find some equivalent fraction such a way that 35 will be denominator. We have solved this type of problem. So what we'll do? We'll multiply 5 both numerator and denominator. We have multiplied 5 both numerator and denominator. This means when the fraction will be, the equivalent fraction of the 4 by 7 will be 20 by 35. And we know we find the equivalent fraction by multiplying a number. Likewise, we will find the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 in such a way that we will multiply some number both numerator and denominator in that the denominator will be 35. we know this means this. Then what we will do? We multiply 7. If we multiply 7 in the denominator, then the then the denominator of the equivalent fraction will be 35. So we multiply 7 both numerator and denominator and find the fraction 21 by 35. Now what we will do? What we have done? 4 by 7 become 20 by 35 and 3 by 5 become 21 by 35. Now they are like fraction, their denominator are same. So now we have it is easy to compare them. Then you will compare. Then here 21 by 35 will be greater than 20 by 35. This means 3 by 5 is greater than 4 by 7. This is one method this is the LCM method of comparing the equivalent fraction or the fraction. Likewise, if we take randomly, I am taking some fraction. 3 by 7, 2 by 5 and 4 by, no, not